Imagine holding a smartphone in your hands that's not just about cutting-edge technology, but a magical device straight from the future. Samsung's upcoming lineup for 2026 is bringing something beyond just rumors, something so advanced that it feels unreal. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26. In today's video, I will reveal everything from A to Z about Samsung's new smartphones and their incredible innovations. So watch till the end and share your thoughts. Let's dive in. First up, new models and series. In 2026, Samsung might introduce the next-generation Galaxy S26 series, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. And that's not all. The budget-friendly Galaxy A and M series are also getting revolutionary upgrades. Samsung is ready to set new records. Now let's talk design and build quality. Imagine holding a phone that feels like a piece of the future. With a premium titanium frame, ultra-thin bezels, and an ultra-lightweight design, Samsung is once again redefining smartphone aesthetics. Display, bigger, brighter, and stunning. A 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 165 Hz refresh rate. Just imagine how smooth gaming, video playback, and scrolling will be. Plus, Samsung's foldable phones are set to enhance user experience like never before. Processor and performance. Samsung is set to dominate the tech world with Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or their in-house Exynos 2500 processor, delivering revolutionary AI and gaming performance. Lag? That's history now. Camera. A new era of photography beyond imagination. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might feature a 200MP camera, super periscope zoom, and advanced AI-powered photography. Night photography? It'll look like it was taken with a professional camera. Plus, the Flip and Fold series will also come with major camera upgrades. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Not anymore. The upcoming Samsung phones might feature a massive 5500 mAh+ battery, 100W super fast charging, and 50W wireless charging, giving your phone power in just minutes. Software and UI. Samsung's One UI 8.0 will be based on Android 16 or 17, featuring enhanced AI, battery optimization, and more customization options than ever before. New features, Galaxy AI, smart AI features that make your life easier. Under-display camera, no punch hole, just a seamless screen experience. Satellite connectivity, use the internet without relying on mobile networks. Price and release date, how much will you need to save? The Galaxy S26 series might start at $800, $1,200, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be priced at $1,500 or more. Expected release? January or February 2026. Final words, Samsung is set to revolutionize technology in 2026. What do you think? Which model are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.